Hello, in front of me I have Lenovo Ego Smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this device. Before we start, a quick disclaimer: if you want to get the most accurate results of your heart rate measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring the heart rate, try to keep still, don't move around too much. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here on the back of the watch, but because of that my results might be not too accurate. Okay, so now let's continue with the measurement. So to measure the heart rate, you simply press the reset button right here. Your watch will enter the measurement mode. As you can see, the icon will start blinking, the heart rate icon. And after a couple of seconds, you should get your result. And here we have it. And once you're done, you can simply press the reset button again to exit the heart rate measurement mode. And that's how you measure the heart rate on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.